National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, Mississippi Sound, South Mobile Bay. Waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Portersville Bay to near Fort Morgan, moving southwest at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Central Dauphin Island, Sand Island Lighthouse, Dauphin Island Bridge, Fort Gaines, Fort Morgan, Western Dauphin Island, Farewell Buoy, Petty Boy Pass, Mississippi Sound east of Pascagoula and Heron Bay. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: South Mobile Bay, Mississippi Sound, Alabama, coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, and waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi extending from 20 nautical miles to 60 nautical miles.